have the meat, as you can see earlier, okay? And I have some onions in there. By the way, I hope you all having a great day, a great night. You guys, it's so cold. And drop down in the comment section below. Let me know how cold this is, guys. And I'm gonna add some more. Feel free to use whatever season you like. I do have bell pepper, garlic, and all that good stuff. Whatever my family likes. So yeah. Alright, you guys, I am not gonna add any cheese just yet. The cheese will be on the side due to the fact that my honey don't eat no cheese, so yeah. And now I am going to add the cream coconut. We're doing something different, you guys. You guys should try it. It was so good, you guys. Yeah, so we're just gonna let the coconut cook, melt, and all that good stuff. And yeah. And I forgot to tell y'all, I did use ground turkey and sausage. And yeah, you guys, you're just gonna let your noodle cook. It should be very tender. And continue watching, you guys. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe. Alright, you guys, this is our finished product. Looks so good, you guys. So yummy. Oh my goodness, you guys should try it. It was so delish. You hear me? It was so delicious, you guys. And continue watching so you can see how I am gonna add the cheese and ricotta cheese as well. Okay, I'm gonna take a plate for the kids, and also I'm gonna fix me a plate for work. And continue watching, you guys. Alright, you guys, this concludes the video. As you can see, your girl is eating. When I tell you, baby, It was busting. You hear me? It was so good, you guys. And it was so cold. All right, bye, y'all.